Bruh. Boss man, you hold your stance, right? We're gonna handle this like gentlemen. I'm gonna sort you out, open that window, okay? Okay. Okay. No, chill, man, chill. It's okay. It's okay, man, it's okay. Hey, you chill over there, lad. I'm gonna sort you out here real quick, boss man. Don't you worry. There you go, buddy. There you go.
Y'all gotta get a load of BIRD.EXE.
Make sure that your mic is off.
Pa' arriba, eso pa' arriba.
¿Para arriba? Sí. Coño, qué difícil.
This right here is my absolute favourite noodle. Except you actual twat.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, can you order for me?
Why?
Bro, just please order for me.
Bro, you can order, bro.
Please.
Go fucking order yourself, you pussy.
Hi, do you guys serve food?
Are you fucking...
Okay.
Next time you have some leftover chicken, you need to make one of these chicken...
Leftover from what? The bubonic plague? It looks like you found this chicken in a parking lot. Are you okay, sir? You posted this video and then ghosted all of us. We're actually worried about your safety right now. It's like I can't believe it's not butter, except I can't believe it is chicken. It's raw and overcooked at the same time. This thing is wild.